Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, and I'm back. This is my final video before moving. It's Thursday night, and we are packed up, y'all. I think I've got maybe 2 more boxes to do, and it will be moving time. This time, I'm doing an unboxing. Now, as life goes, when you're trying to do just a quick video, life happens and your recording issues start causing problems like crazy. I have lost so much footage of doing this because my phone kept cutting off. So I'm going to try to do the beginning and the end. Luckily, I did get the unboxing somewhere, but it's going to be a piece together video, so I apologize for that, and right off the bat. Now, the thing that is so exciting is that BeebeeCraft has contacted me and asked if I would be willing to review their products. And of course, I was like, absolutely, I'd love to see. So I picked out a few things. Now, it's not going to be your typical BeebeeCraft beads and jewelry making, although I did pick me up a little bling. So this is going to be totally different, but this is going to show you exactly what you can find if you just look a little bit. They're not just beads. They've got a lot more items that you can craft with. So even if you're not a jewelry maker, of course they've got some great choices there too, or if you like to do the chunky charms or anything for your journals and all that kind of stuff, they've got all that. But if you just look a little bit more, you'll also find some other items maybe you haven't thought about. But I'm going to actually be using this for a craft show idea. So with that being said, well, you can see they've actually, they have packed it really well. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and show y'all what I received. I'm so excited, y'all. It made me feel so good. I know that, I know actually several people who share, and BeebeeCraft have gotten in contact with them. And with that, they are there to advertise and promote, but you know what? It helps me as well. So I'm so completely excited. All right, let's see. I'm telling y'all, this is going to be different. I did get some bling, so I'm not going to lie there. You know me, I got to have some bling. So let's move this aside. So let's start with the bling first. Let's see if there's any card. Okay, it gives me the the shipping label. Let's see. Let's open this up. This is, I was trying to see. It's BeebeeCraft. And I hope I'm not getting a glare there. And it's by Panda Hall Elite. And this is definitely my bling. This is going to go into both hair bow centers when I make them for my craft show. They're also going to go for, my decorations on my paper crafts and my box. And let's see, because I do not remember the price on everything. I should have checked that. I definitely will be sure to leave that in the description box on what I paid for everything. But y'all, well, number one, they've got, let's see, make sure it's not taped up. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's taped on the other side. I will, be sure to leave the link to each product, in the description box. And then, also, that way you can check out the prices, or I may leave. Oh my goodness. Y'all, can y'all see that? How gorgeous. This is the bling. Now, excuse me. What you're going to see right here is they're the same colors right down the middle, but there is a subtle difference. They're all raised and textured. But like this one, this line is all plain. But these actually have like an iridescent sheen on each side. So it gives it a different tint and like more of a sparkly color. And I think you might can tell it best with the reddish color, because the one is definitely red and this one's red, but it's almost got a magenta hint to it when it's turned in the light. And the same as for the teal, the peachy color. The silver, the white, the clear is actually, this looks more white and clear, silvery, and this one looks more clear with the iridescent sparkles. And this is just a plain baby pink, pretty blue, great green for Christmas, and then a yellow. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry. I don't know how many times I'm going to have to keep apologizing, but I think we've got it all figured out now. So maybe I can wrap this up. So I'm going to do a quick overview to make sure I've covered everything. I will say the bonus of my phone cutting out on me, I did get to pause and get prices for everybody. I did not get the quantity of how many blings came in here, but there's the blings I got. And then these were actually, let's see, it come with the box with all the blings in it, and it was $8.49 for this pack. And there's a lot here, y'all. Then the wax has the wicks, so you don't have to have the melting pot with it. So they've got the detail. I got the gold and the red, and they're both like a metallic. And this came with the thank you. And it also had the handle with it. And it was $13.99, and it come with 5 of each color, the handle and the for you. And then I also got 2 more each that were the, let's see, the S. There's my hint for you. The S was $8.49. It came with this and the handle, and then the skull and crossbones. It also came with the handle, and this one came, I believe, with the velvet pouch, and it was $9.89. Excuse me. Now, with that being said, be sure to check out BeebeeCrafts and the link that I will provide for you, because like I'm showing right here, they have amazing beads and jewelry making items, or chunky charm item, you know, beads and stuff for that as well. But there's more to just BeebeeCrafts than just beads. So just take a look around, because you'll never know what you find that you can be inspired by. And just in case I missed that part when all my video craziness was going on, I wanted to ask y'all, and here was the hint, what you thought I could possibly use this for in my craft show. So here's the S that I received. Make sure y'all are able to see it. And then I got for you, and then the skull and crossbones. Now the S is the actual hint. So if you think you know what I might be doing, and leave me a comment down below and let me see. Who knows? I can't make any promises this go round, but if you get it right, the first one who gets it right just might get a prize once I get settled. Now, with that being said, I just want to thank y'all one more time for all the support and the kind comments and understanding me being in the middle of a move. Definitely thank BeebeeCrafts one more time for allowing me this chance and opportunity. And until I get settled, we'll see you around, and best wishes always.